Meet Alloware's Salesforce integration, your ticket to smoother, faster, and more productive customer outreach. Click to call any lead or contact and view their full communication history right in Salesforce. Here's how to get started. To enable your Salesforce integration, simply log on to your Aloware dashboard and find the Integrations tab. After you click it, then find the Salesforce button and click Settings. And this is where you can authenticate going through Salesforce. I'm going to click the Re-Authenticate button, and then it's going to take me to this screen. And here's where I can view my configuration. I can choose to reconfigure if necessary. I can also choose to pause the integration if I ever want to not continue in the future, or I can deploy any updates. But for now, I'm going to pull my contacts directly from Salesforce. And this confirms that they are being pulled from Salesforce. The process will finish shortly. And here's where I can sync my users. If I click this button, now my users are being synced with Salesforce. And here's where I can make sure that my sync is bidirectional. So I can leave the arrow button both ways. That means that each contact will appear in real time in both platforms as they're added. Or I can choose to adjust this if necessary and just make it unidirectional. So in this case, it's only going from Salesforce to Aloware. In this case, it's going from Aloware to Salesforce only, but I'll keep it bidirectional since that's the most important for streamlining your process. So here's where you can set up your contact property mapping. If I click Enable Editing here, it's going to bring up all the fields that can map over. You can see here's all of the personally identifiable information for my contacts, like address, city, country, and state. And you can make sure that that goes bidirectional. Make sure that the arrow goes both ways so that each field maps. It should be like that as your default setting. And as you can see right here, 2 of the fields are not able to be adjusted because these need to be activated in order for the sync to work correctly. Now you're ready to log your team's phone activity in Salesforce and never miss another beat when reviewing deals. Let us know if you need help setting up the integration. We're happy to assist you.